Hello guys, I'm Prahlad and I will be your guide for this web development crash course. So we are going to start with the basics, that is HTML5. So we are going to type something called doc type, which indicates that this program consists of HTML5. So an HTML full forms hypertext markup language and is used in all the websites which you see. So now to get on with the body structure of HTML, we type HTML and we immediately close it. So these are all body tags which you open and have to close it immediately. And then we type the head tag and we close it. And then we go to the meta field which defines the type of the web page. So we use a standard form of UTF-8. And then we go to the title. So every web page has a title. So the title is a keyword in which you type into your web browser and that searches into your command. And so we're keeping the title as hello world. And now we're going to the body tag. This is the thing that's going to be present on your web page. So in the body tag, we're going to create something called the p tag or the paragraph tag. And there we type hello world. And immediately we close the p tag. So and now we are going to see how it looks in a web browser. So you go to your file explorer and go to your most recent, and then there you can find your quick access program 1. As you can see, there's a hello world without any styling. And now we'll try to play around with the font sizes. So we're going to type something called as H1, that's the highest or the biggest font that's available, and we have to close H1. And now Ctrl S and we see what's happening, and as you can see the fonts become bigger and bolder. And now we're going to try H6, which is the smallest, and this comes in descending order from H1 to H6, the boldness and the font size. And as you can see, hello world is small. And now we'll try to style this code. We'll try to style this hello world. So for styling this hello world, we use elements of CSS. So we type div. We type a div ID. So an ID is what that is used to style in. So you need to have an element to style. So that's what the div does. It gives an element for you to style. So we're going to style this hello world. And CSS stands for cascading style sheets, and this is very important and essential in styling your content. So now we type something called style to initiate CSS commands, and then we type a hashtag, and then we type header. So hashtag is what represents an ID, and a div class is also similar to an ID, but there we just type dot header, and here we're typing hashtag. And so now we're going to give the height, the width, and of course we're going to give a background color for the hello world to be present. Now we're going to worry about the font and the font color. So we're going to give the color as white. That's more appealing to black. And then we're going to have a font family. It could be Arial or it could be Times New Roman. It's all the same. We're just trying to mess around with the fonts. And then we are going to have the font style. We can give oblique, we can give italics, we can give whatever style we want it to be. And then we give a font weight. That could be bold, bolder, light, lighter. We're going to give bolder now to make the font look bold. And we're of course going to have a text decoration. We're going to underline the text, and we are also going to have text alignment to align the text to the center. And the font size, we're going to give a font size of 2 EM, and 1 EM is like 16 pixels. So EM is a more professional way of using the size, and we're going to align the text to the center. Let's see what happens now. It's Ctrl S, that's a short form for save, and let's just check what happens. And as you can see, the code style, hello world is style. I hope you guys have enjoyed the first part of our crash course.